Hi and welcome back to the channel. In today's video we will discuss the option that how you can recover your deleted drafts on TikTok. So let's start our video. First you need to go and open your TikTok application, then tap on your profile. Here you will find your drafts. If you cannot find them, tap on the three lines at the top right corner, then go to the settings and privacy. Here in settings and privacy there is not a particular option to recover your draft, so all you need to do is to scroll down where you will find the option report a problem. You need to tap on it. In the search bar you need to type in missing drafts. So guys, once you search missing drafts, you need to tap on missing draft option here, and here are the reason that they have given. If you did the same things here is mentioned here, then it is impossible to recover your deleted drafts. All you need to do is to tap on no and then tap on need more help. Here they will bring you to TikTok support. Here you can take a screenshot of your profile and attach it here with your message. Be as persuasive as possible, write a good message and convince them that they can recover your deleted draft. So guys, if you find this video useful, please subscribe to my channel. I will see you in the next video. Till then, take care.